Oh wait, iga kubara amasaha.
What time is it? Habaye sangahe?
It's 7 o'clock. Ni saa moya zuzuye.
What time is it? Habaye sangahe?
It is 7:05. Ni saa moya n'iminota 5 cyangwa se ni saa moya zirenze 5.
What time is it? Habaye sangahe?
It is 7:15. Ni saa moya na 15.
What time is it? Habaye sangahe?
It is 7:30. Ni saa moya n'igice.
What time is it? Habaye sangahe?
It's 20 to 8. Ni saa 2:20.
What time is it? Habaye sangahe?
It is 7:45. Ni saa 2:15.
What time is it? Habaye sangahe?
It is 5 to 8. Saa 2:05.
What time is it? Habaye sangahe?
Write your answer in a comment. Andika igisubizo cyawe muri comment. Niba isomo rigufashije kanda kora ku gasaraba ujye no kuri YouTube channel yacu wandikemo God's Fast English ukande subscribe kugira ngo ujye uhora ubona amasomo meza nkaya.